So once I'm happy with all the spatial notations for my steps here, what I'm going to do is submit it. And this is going to have to be approved ultimately by my supervisor.
So Matt's been working on some templates that need to be reviewed. So I'm going to go ahead and go into my equipment database, asset management, and I'm going to find my pump asset. And this gives me details on this piece of equipment. I'm going to go up here and look for templates. And so I noticed there's a bunch of published templates. These are already been approved and available for people to use. And I'll go ahead and filter here and look for submitted templates. And I noticed one template has been submitted by Matt that needs to be reviewed, and it will either be approved or rejected and then moved to published. So we'll open this guy up, and this is my step-by-step work instruction template. You notice I have 3 steps here. First step being this power and signal step. So there's an indicator here on this step that suggests that there's some AR content. So I really want to take a look at this AR content and see if it's been spatially located correctly. So what I need to do is go down here and toggle on switch to AR mode, and then we'll move to the equipment to scan the QR code. And then we're going to scan our reference point here, the QR code. That scanned pretty quickly. So we have step 1 here with the leader line pointing to the switch. That looks good. Step 2, square, calling out the lockout switch. And step 3, leader lines down to the filter. So this looks great. Although now that I'm thinking about it, I think steps 1 and 2 should be switched. So let me switch out of AR mode here. So I'm going to send Matt a message that says this looks good, but I'm going to go ahead and reject it and ask him to make that swap between those 2 steps. So I'll go ahead and reject, and I can send a comment here, and let me just record a message for Matt. Hey Matt, this content looks really good, but I think you should switch steps 1 and 2. Makes more sense. Thank you. So we'll go ahead and send off that comment when we hit the reject button. That template is now sent to drafts, and Matt will get a notification with that comment and request to swap those steps.